I'll wait till this one's done, then I'm going to work.
Fun is.
this is gonna be like. Bye.
Oh! Really? It just came out. Oh!
Wait, I want to see more come out. Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay, it smells pretty bad right now. Just open it. Bing!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Why do I keep grabbing the fucking spray?
Oh, the rubber band's on fire. Look, wow, look at that thing.
I didn't even know there was a rubber band in there.
There's not anymore.
Oh, it smells like a burnout.
It does.
I like it.
Some kind of flammable gas would be really cool. Like a lighter.
This spray is flammable, right?